Hi and welcome to the home of Invoq. Today we are making naan bread. For the ingredients we have water, 1.5 deciliter, dry yeast, you can use fresh if you prefer, sugar, salt, all-purpose flour and yogurt. Now the yeast is activated, we are adding the yogurt for the first part. Just a good spoon, teaspoon of sugar and salt, and a quick little mix before the flour goes in. You don't need a long time, just to be mixed nicely together, and then have to rest and proof for 20 minutes. Now the dough have proofed for 20 minutes, and we are going to divide it in 8 pieces that we're gonna roll up for 8 buns. And then it have to proof for 20 minutes again. And then we are ready for the baking. To finish up the naan bread, we are preparing some melted butter with garlic and parsley. Use just a little flour to make sure that it don't stick too much on the table. For the baking, we are trying to mimic the original baking method of India. That's usually done over open fire or in iron cast pans. So for this purpose, we have our grill tray, perfect for grilling, but the backside is perfect for bread, like pizza, naan bread, sourdough, you name it. Even that is an aluminum core inside of the tray, it has to be heated up for about 20 minutes to get the perfect result. So in the oven right behind me, we have heated it up to 245 degrees for half an hour. Let's bake. And now we are adding a little drizzle of oil. It's optional, you don't have to do it if you want to do a little healthier version, but it's nice for the baking. And just 1 or 2 minutes on each side is enough. There we go. Enjoy.